Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be kandai pra.
U Dr Mukul sangma u Ong ba usuya Shong kai ba ja Shong di sha ba u MLA ga BJP u ba AL hack ba kamshim ladan gunu ga jengakran ba nyerung seng. U Dr Mukul u Ong ba hack u de parlok u balarem bha u ba kilai trailang la slam bha ba kisuya Shong kai kumshi parlok. Ulai thu ba sudan ga jingi thu khana hapreng jongki kumno ban weng no yagani ga sarkar ga bamta ka ba yalam daga NPP.
See, Ba AL hack is a very good friend of mine. We have worked together for a long time. He was in Congress while we were in Congress. He was in the Council of Ministers when I was the CM. So you have seen this long association. And the good thing is that he wanted to meet me on the 3rd. On the 3rd. That means second was the result, no? On the 3rd of March morning, we had tea. And we congratulated each other. But he was in a hurry to go to his meeting. But he told me one thing. He said that he was not happy with the outcome of the whole election results, obviously. Because I think BJP also went hammer and tong to see that they win as many seats as available. But his concern was pertaining to whether we allow the continuation of this government. So only one thing he said, please do anything to see that this same reason does not come again. Then we said, we are doing it precisely. And then that you saw as a sequel to that on the 3rd. We tried to come together. It's a different thing that we could not give fruition to our whole collective effort, because as I have said, the overall development that you saw after all these members of different political parties converged to one particular place, committing to that agenda of giving an alternative, viable, pro-people, the most wanted alternative government to the people. So that's the time when I met. But he didn't say that I should join BJP nor anything. He only said that please do something to see that this government doesn't come back. Yes, we all agree. Even now I say that this government should go. In fact, even now, all these political parties. But the thing is that you are seeing the desperate attempt of the people who are in the present dispensation in authority, desperately trying to remain in power. Why do I say this? You have seen recently merger of two members belonging to one regional parties. What does it indicate? You have to be analytical and find out the background. What are those factors which have compelled these two MLAs to ultimately decide to merge with this NPP? So I think you have all the answers. The answer is that the present dispensation who are in the government are desperately trying to ensure that they remain in power because they have reasons to. be worried if they are not in power. Now you have to draw your own conclusion. Why I'm saying this? Because if they are not in power, lots of responsibility on the authority, if another dispensation come in power, will be that the interest of the state and the people being the priority. You'll have to find out what has gone in the past. Now, elections have been just completed. New government has been installed. The present government is desperate to remain in power, and the result, the fallout, is visible before the people. But as we look at the whole political dynamics that will unfold in future, because of this desperation of these people in power to remain in power, you'll have to see how to ensure that you alert the people, that people remain alert, vigilant, and responsive to a given situation, and take the government head on. Whenever we see that the interests of the people are under compromise, when the self-centric and ever-swelling greed of the people are superseding all other priorities, contrary to the priority which should revolve around the larger good and larger interests of the people.